Do you keep falling into the same bad habits? Scrolling too long, skipping workouts, overspending? You're not alone. Most people try to break habits using willpower and fail. But what if I told you that you don't need willpower at all? In this video, you'll learn how to break bad habits naturally by making a few smart changes in your routine. Willpower is like a phone battery. It drains fast. The more decisions you make, the weaker your self-control becomes. That's why you can say no in the morning, but give in by night. Science shows that most of our habits are automatic, formed by cues and rewards, not willpower. To change habits, we need to change the system, not just try harder. All bad habits start with a cue. It could be boredom, stress, or even your phone buzz. Track your habits. Ask, where am I? What time is it? What emotion do I feel? Who is around me? Spotting the trigger is the first step to breaking the loop. Don't just stop a bad habit, swap it. If you scroll TikTok when bored, replace it with reading one page of a book. Want to stop snacking? Drink water or go for a short walk. Our brains don't like empty space. They crave reward, so give it a better habit with a better reward. Habits can't just be erased, they need to be replaced. Instead of saying, I'll stop this, ask, what will I do instead? Replace late-night binge-watching with reading. Replace mindless scrolling with journaling. Give your brain something new to latch onto. Your surroundings shape your habits more than your intentions. Keep junk food out of the house. Place your workout clothes on the bed. Put your phone in another room during focused work. Make bad habits invisible and good habits easy. Big changes fail, tiny habits stick. Want to start meditating? Do just 30 seconds first. Want to write more? Start with one sentence. Momentum beats motivation. Small wins rewire the brain for bigger actions over time. Say this. I'm the type of person who, instead of I want to quit smoking, say I'm not a smoker. Instead of I try to work out, say I'm someone who moves every day. This rewires your brain to become the person who naturally avoids bad habits. Lasting change comes from identity. Don't just say, I want to stop smoking. Say, I'm the kind of person who values their health. When your actions align with your identity, change becomes automatic. You don't need more willpower, you need better triggers, smarter replacements, and tiny steps. Drop a comment. What habit are you trying to break this month? And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed mindset tips.